Then he'll pick the gap. No worries at all. And he'll find the gap.
Keepers have a particular expression. That's nicely played. He's using.
Oh, he's given it. Oh, short and wide. He'll get. Well, from time to time he's playing the shot. This
Field restriction. Nice shot. Pitched up. Very good shot.
Oh, well. What's he had for breakfast? Oh, he's edged and straight. There's the big booming drive on the offside. He's gone straight up. Three fielders almost getting onto the ball. And the fielder was running backwards, who takes the catch.
Spoke about the ball hitting the bat manufacturers.
He's gone. Straight. He's played that into the air. Just wide of that fielder. Well, this space. Gone. Now he struck that beautifully.
A lot of confidence going forward. That's in the air, that's kite, that should be taken. He's dropped him.
At it. Oh, that's a double.
Well, that struck magnificently. Nearly.
And he places it again from the square for
Enough distance on it. No, he hasn't.
Is that a baseballer, Betty? That'll run away too. He's got hold of that and it will go all the way.
He's gone this time. He's a gonzo.
This man doesn't suffer at all by comparison. He might be taking another wicket here. 49 balls. Mishra just faced the one. Fine leg is very square. Oh, that's beautifully timed. What a good looking. Trying to get that swing away from the left-hander. That's got to be four. Played with the sink.
Playing every time, it can easily get you uptight and frustrated.
Lovely pull shot. Kumar. There's that swing. That's what I want to see Bhuvaneshwar Kumar doing. That. He's gone straight. Always
Will be tested against spin.
Where has this gone? Another pull shot. Another. This is a lot. Oh, well, it's gone through, and now this is the break.
New ball is difficult.
What a shot. First ball. Entered for either side. And taken straight at mid-wicket. This is a very... That's a good ball that's gone through. Now there could be trouble if the non-strikers in. Yes!
Now because they've lost 3 wickets.
This has gone straight up. Difficult one for Jadeja, but he's a good fielder. I tell you. The sound was nice. There's the carom ball, played with the spin.
There's that big one. Will it clear the fence?
That's 6.
Magnificently played by Hafiz. What a... Up in the air, this should be taken.
Oh, chance of a run out is gone.
Soed Maqsood is run out. Big shot, it's gone flat, it's done the distance. Shahid Afridi.
Pull it. This is much better.
There's the lap sweep. This may run away. Sweeps, finds the fence. That's gone. 6 from goal. It's up in the air. This should be taken. Long off. Tala is batting. He makes room. That's gone up in the air. Another wicket should fall here. Jadeja is very good with those catches. He takes the catch. Ashwin with the last over. It's bowled in round his legs. It's the first ball off it. Afridi makes room, goes up in the air. Has it connected? It's gone. It's 6. Shahid Afridi. Unbelievable shot. What a... He goes again, goes big, that's up in the air. And it's six. Shahid Afridi, you beauty. What a win. Pakistan have smashed it. Shahid Afridi has done it. He has many a time stunned the world with his belligerent batting, and he couldn't have been better tonight. What striking under pressure. Unbelievable batting from Shahid Afridi. The entire team is out there, they can't believe it. India had it covered until Shahid Afridi came on strike, and well, he's won a memorable match for Pakistan.
Superb batting. He played it smart. He bided his time. And just as you're talking, but I think he's not got